today's video, we're talk about earning application na tinatawag na Boataway. Ito. Kung wala pa kayong ganito, just install on Play Store. Since may Boataway na ako, open ko na. Yan. As you can see, pwede ka makapag-invite ng friends para may directly 0.10 instantly plus 20% their lifetime earning. So, pwede niyang gawin para makabilis kayo makapag-earn. Tapos, ito yung ano niya. Dito ka makaka-earn. Just tap play. May lalabas
Will
na
you
ads.
marry me?
Siyempre, earning application. May lalabas yan. Tapos yan, hintay lang natin. Hintay lang natin. Tapos, yan, play. Hintayin nyo lang. Mag-i-earn yan dito sa taas.
Miss Whale, it's my fault.
Wait.
All my fault. I'm sorry. It's all my fault.
All right,
Basta dyan,
stop it.
maka-earn ka dyan.
She got you into this mess. I'm kind enough to let her live.
William. But I'm scared.
At sa withdrawal
I'm
naman
really
dito.
scared.
Ayan, diba? May nakuha tayo. Sa withdrawal dito. Dito naman sa withdrawal, may pipilian ka GCash, Lazada, PayPal. Yan. Ang minimum nila is 0.35 USD. Thank you guys.